Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by observing exactly where the thread is cutting on your machine. Inspect the needle for burrs or damage and replace with a 90/14 needle. Confirm the thread path is correctly routed through all guides and the tension discs. Look closely at the needle plate and bobbin area for lint, burrs, or metal shavings. Remove the needle plate and magnify the area if needed. Note any sharp edges or rough spots that abrade the thread consistently. Power off and remove the needle and presser foot for safety before cleaning. Thoroughly clean the feed dog, bobbin case, and race with compressed air and a small brush. Remove bobbin and check the shuttle for metal shavings or roughness. File or replace any sharp edges on the needle plate using a fine jeweler file. Replace old thread spools and use thread snips to inspect for frayed thread. Relubricate moving parts lightly according to the machine manual. Reinstall a new 90/14 needle and thread with a high-quality polyester thread before testing. Set the upper tension to a mid-range value such as 3, 5, and adjust in small increments if needed. Lower the presser foot and slowly hand-turn the wheel while watching the thread path. So attest sample slowly while listening for rubbing or clicking that indicates abrasion. If cuts persist, mark the exact contact point and inspect that component for replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.